A new cafe destination in Khaoyai is quickly becoming a favorite for travelers and cafe lovers looking for a relaxing atmosphere surrounded by nature. Lagoon Cafe Khaoyai stands out with its beautiful lakeside setting and European style houses that make visitors feel as if they have stepped into a peaceful countryside somewhere in Europe. From the moment you arrive, the atmosphere feels calm and refreshing. The cafe sits beside a large, tranquil lake that reflects the sky and the surrounding mountains, creating a scenic view in every direction. The architecture is inspired by charming European homes, adding warmth and elegance to the landscape, while blending perfectly with the natural surroundings of Khaoyai. One of the highlights of this cafe is the wide lakeside view. Guests can sit and enjoy the gentle breeze while looking out across the water, which stretches peacefully toward the distant hills. The environment feels open, quiet, and incredibly relaxing, making it an ideal place to slow down and enjoy a special moment away from the busy city. The cafe offers several seating areas, each with its own unique perspective of the lake and gardens. Some spots are right next to the water, allowing visitors to fully immerse themselves in the view, while others are set among beautifully designed European-style buildings that create perfect photo opportunities. Nearly every corner of the cafe feels thoughtfully designed, making it easy to capture memorable moments. Another reason people love visiting here is how the atmosphere changes throughout the day. In the morning, the air is fresh and peaceful, perfect for starting the day with a calm mood. During the afternoon, sunlight sparkles across the lake, creating a bright and lively scenery. As evening approaches, the sunset over the water adds a romantic and dreamy feeling that truly makes the place feel like a getaway abroad. Lagoon Cafe Khaoyai is more than just a cafe. It is a place where visitors can relax, enjoy nature, and experience a beautiful, European-inspired lakeside setting right in the heart of Khaoyai. Whether visiting with friends, family, or a loved one, the atmosphere here makes every visit feel like a short vacation in a charming destination far from home.